There's a lot of things that go into making a golf course great. Design, aesthetics, and an enjoyable environment are all important. But having high-quality turf is at the top of the list. So, how can you be certain that your turf is at its peak condition all year round? With SkySource Aerial's new Precision Turf Analysis, you can now see the health of your course from a whole new perspective and at a level of detail like never before. Using the power of AI to analyze hundreds of high-resolution images, our advanced turf analysis software can identify areas of stress before they're visible to the human eye, so that you can tackle problems before they arise. The data in our reports is presented in an easy-to-read format, allowing you to focus on maximizing efficiency, saving you money, and helping to keep your course healthy from tee to green and consistent from hole to hole. So when it comes to the health and quality of your turf, don't just leave it up to chance. Take the guesswork out of the equation and count on SkySource Aerial's Precision Turf Analysis for the data you need to ensure that your turf is at its best all year long. SkySource Aerial's Precision Turf Analysis, using the next generation of drone technology to keep you in the green.